In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. If you've recently moved into a new role at the same company, updating your LinkedIn profile is a great way to keep your experience section accurate and professional. It also helps recruiters, colleagues, and potential clients clearly see your career progression. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add that promotion directly under your existing company experience so everything stays neatly organized. To begin, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Make sure you're viewing your own profile page since that's where you'll be able to edit your work history. Once you're there, scroll down until you reach the Experience section. This is where LinkedIn lists your current and previous positions. In the Experience area, look for the plus icon. This button lets you add new information to your work history. Click the plus icon and then choose Add Role. This is the option you'll want when the promotion happened within the same company because it allows LinkedIn to group your positions together under one employer instead of creating a completely separate company entry. Next, enter your job title. Be as accurate as possible here, since this title is one of the first things people notice on your profile. Use the official title you receive from your company so your profile matches your real career history. After that, fill in the promotion details. This is where you'll complete the information related to the new role. Take a moment to review each field carefully so your timeline appears correct and easy to understand. A clean and consistent experience section makes your profile look much more polished. You'll also need to enter the company name, your start date for the new role, and the end date for your previous role. This part is especially important because it tells LinkedIn that this is a progression within the same company. If your dates overlap or are entered incorrectly, your profile may not display the promotion the way you expect. Double check the month and year before moving on. Once everything looks right, click Save. LinkedIn will then update your experience section and place the new role within your company history. That way, anyone visiting your profile can quickly see that you were promoted rather than changing employers. And that's it. Your promotion is now added to LinkedIn. Keeping this section updated helps present a stronger professional story and makes your profile more credible. If you want your profile to stand out even more, it's also a good idea to review the wording in each role description so it reflects your growth and new responsibilities.